If you're like me, you probably suffer from lack of fooderitis. This is where you have no fuel and you will
literally die
in 2 hours if you do not get fuel inside of you. Not to be confused with jet fuel, also known as Bang. If you're lucky, you may even have vegetables sitting in the bottom drawer just collecting dust and becoming all rotten and Question! Are you a student? Yeah. Are you an athlete? Probably not. Are you a bodybuilder? No. But you are a human being that needs to eat in order to survive. So I've taken it upon myself to save you from starvation. So giddy up, cowboy, because today we're making an egg burrito. Like literally an egg burrito without a tortilla, because I assume that you, like me, are a college student and you are broke, cannot afford it. You're gonna need about 3 to 4 eggs, a handful of spinach, cheese, butter, or coconut oil. If you don't have any of these ingredients that I just listed, then I'm sorry for you. You're going to die. There is no hope for you. But if you're ready to rock and roll, this bread! Alright, so you're gonna wanna get a small to a medium-sized pan. Set your stove thing on low heat so you don't burn your eggs. You're either gonna whip your eggs or you're gonna beat them. I prefer to beat them because protein inside of them activates whenever extreme pressure is applied to them. Like so. All jokes aside, you wanna crack them in, you know, get in your bowl. One hand, ready? Ooh, another one. Just whip them. Whip them real good. Throw your eggs in there. Yeah, baby. I like to add a little bang to it, you know, give it a little kick. So, here, use a bigger side. Yeah, just scrape it all the way. As much cheese as possible. Honestly, you can get whatever cheese you got. It doesn't really matter. So we're gonna flip this hoe. Oh, no. Yeah, boy. Okay, just throw on your cheese. Just sprinkle your cheese. Sprinkle. Okay. Oh, shit. Stuck. Hold up. Okay. Now we try again. You forgot one very important step. You forgot about the spinach, bro. Alright, so you're gonna wanna cook them until they got this toilet paper consistency. You're gonna split them into halves. So one half is gonna go inside the burrito, while the other is gonna be for decoration purposes, if you will. Alright, anyways, this is done. That's off. So half and half. So it wouldn't be a burrito if it wasn't like a burrito. You gotta roll it. Hopefully it rolls. Oh, this is fucked up. Usually rolling something this good is illegal, you know? But in our case, it's completely legal. Your magnificent egg burrito. Don't put jet fuel in the shit, I'm dead ass. The egg burrito, I have saved you from starvation. It's just 3 ingredients: cheese, spinach, eggs. Okay, maybe if you count butter it's 4, but still, I mean, come on. Anyways, happy holidays. Thank you for watching. Share this to a friend that doesn't know how to cook eggs, because honestly, if you don't know how to cook eggs by now, you are unfit for society. Click here to subscribe. Watch my other videos over here on this side, whatever. Thank you again. Merry Christmas, happy holidays.